Hello, and welcome to this Positive Notes video tutorial. Today I will be talking about extensions. So what is an extension? Say we want to play an A flat. Now an A flat, we know, is too low to play on our A string, but currently the highest note we can play on the D string is a G. But with an extension we can play that A flat. So to do an extension, it's exactly how it sounds. We extend our hand. So by stretching out our hand a little, we can now play that A flat or G sharp. So now I'm going to go into the details. So say we're playing our normal D major scale. So we've gone to our G natural. Now if we want to extend, instead of having a 3 on the F sharp, we put a 2 on the F sharp. And because our thumb is always under our second finger, when we go into an extension, usually our thumb is going to move forward a little to remain under the second finger. So now we have 3 on the G. And now with our fourth finger in this extended position, we can play the G sharp. So this might seem sort of awkward at first to have to stretch out your hand this much, but over time you'll get used to it. You may be tempted to pick up your lower fingers while playing this G sharp, and that's okay for now, although in fast passages you may want to leave those down while playing notes quickly. So looking at how these extensions can work on the other strings, we can have on the A string, 1 on the B like normal. Now we have 2 on the C sharp instead of 1, a 3 on the D, and 4 on our new note, D sharp or E flat. On the G string, we'll have 2 on the B natural, 3 on C natural, and 4 on C sharp. And on the C string, we now have a 4 on F sharp, 3 on F, 2 on E, and 1 on the D. So as we can see, this extension has added 4 new notes we can play. Now, we don't always just extend forward. We can also extend backwards and play lower notes than normal. For example, if we want to play a D sharp, the D sharp is higher than the D, but it's beneath the E, which is what we normally have as our 1. So instead of extending forward, we can extend our first finger backwards and put the first finger on the D sharp. Our second finger now is still on the F. And so our second, third, and fourth fingers are all in the same position. We only just extend the first finger back, and now we just don't have any fingers on the E natural. However, with these lower extensions, since our second finger is remaining in place, our thumb is not going to move back as much. When we move our thumb back with this, we'll go into a half position, which is shifting, and that is a more advanced topic we will cover in later videos. So now applying this to all our other strings, we can do a backwards extension on the A string to play an A sharp or B flat, on the G string to play a G sharp or A flat, and on the C string to play a C sharp or D flat. And now that we have that C sharp on the C string, we can play a rather familiar tune. So with our extension, we can now play the Jaws theme. So now to practice extensions, let's just do an A major scale. The music is appearing on the screen now. So we start with 1 on the A. We put a 2 on the B. The X next to a 2 on the music means that you should be extending there. That's what is normally done in music to show extensions. We have 4 on our F sharp. The D string's open. 1 on the E string. 1 on E for E. 2 for F sharp. 4 for G sharp. And then open A. Try playing the descending scale on your own now. Well, I hope that was helpful, and enjoy your practicing cello.